front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20X, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme. When it's ready, launch it. To mute the music, hit consent and tap at the bottom left corner. Now to access wallpaper settings, hit this gear at the top left corner. Adjust all of those however you want to. And when you finish, click at the top right corner. Then bottom right corner. Set as live wallpaper. Yes. Apply. And lastly, go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!